In the era of digital transformation, the intersection of artificial intelligence and art is both fascinating and complex, raising the question, are machines the new artisans? To set the context, artificial intelligence in art refers to the use of algorithms, neural networks, and machine learning techniques to create, interpret, or enhance artworks. Unlike traditional art forms solely crafted by human hands, AI art is generated, at least in part, by computational processes, blurring the lines between human creativity and machine efficiency. The significance of introducing AI into the art world is profound. It challenges the notion of what it means to be an artist. By enabling machines to analyze data and mimic human-like creativity, AI expands the boundaries of creativity in art production. This evolution is not merely a technological advancement. It raises philosophical questions about authorship, originality, and the intrinsic value of art. Real-world applications of AI in art are diverse and impactful. An example can be seen in the work of AI artist and researcher Sougwen Chung, who collaborates with AI to create multimedia compositions that merge human touch with machine precision. Another illustrative example is the use of AI by the auction house Christie's, which sold an AI-generated portrait, Edmond de Belamy, for over $432,000. These cases highlight how AI is not only facilitating new forms of artistic expression, but is also being recognized and valued in traditional art markets. Supporters of AI's role in art argue that it democratizes creativity, allowing a broader spectrum of individuals to engage with art creation without needing extensive formal training. AI can also process vast amounts of visual data, uncovering new insights and fostering innovation. However, the integration of AI into art comes with challenges and controversies. Critics argue that AI-generated art lacks the soul and emotional depth found in human-created art. Intellectual property issues arise when defining who owns a piece of art created by an algorithm: the programmer, the user, or the machine itself. Additionally, the cultural implications of relying on non-human creators provoke ongoing debate. In examining AI's role in art, it is pivotal to understand how it influences other aspects like traditional art valuation, education, and the future of artistry. AI not only redefines what is possible in art, but also impacts our understanding of creativity, inspiring both excitement and unease in equal measure. As the line between human and machine creativity continues to blur, the dialogue surrounding AI and art remains vibrant and ever-evolving. The historical evolution of art and technology is an interwoven tapestry that has continually reshaped how humans create, perceive, and value art. At its core, this concept examines the transformation of artistic practices as they intersect with technological innovations throughout history. From the advent of the printing press in the 15th century, which revolutionized the dissemination of artistic and literary works, to the emergence of photography in the 19th century, machinery has consistently expanded the boundaries of artistic expression, democratizing art and making it accessible to wider audiences. In the context of AI and art, understanding this historical evolution is crucial. It illuminates how technology has always been a catalyst for change within the art world, and AI represents the latest chapter in this ongoing narrative. The importance of this point lies in framing AI not as an anomaly, but as a continuation of a long-standing relationship between art and technology. This perspective positions machines and algorithms as new tools in the artisan's toolkit, capable of expanding creative possibilities rather than diminishing human creativity. A notable example is the use of AI by artists like Mario Klingemann, whose works interrogate the possibility of machine creativity by using neural networks to generate new images based on vast datasets of existing art. Similarly, deep art, an AI application, enables users to transform photographs into works of art inspired by famous painters. thereby merging past techniques with contemporary technology. Opinions supporting this integration of AI in art suggest it democratizes creativity, offering new mediums and accessibility that can elevate undiscovered talents. Critics, however, argue that AI might lead to a loss of authenticity, questioning whether art generated by machines can truly encapsulate human experience. There are also concerns about the potential for AI to replicate existing art, leading to copyright issues and diluting the originality of the art form. The historical evolution of art and technology significantly influences other aspects of AI in art, such as ethical considerations, the redefinition of authorship, and the potential for machines to collaborate with humans. It challenges the traditional notions of craftsmanship and prompts further exploration of what it means to be an artisan in the digital age. Understanding this evolution helps audiences appreciate the complex dialogue between human creativity and technological advancement, suggesting that perhaps, rather than replacing artisans, machines are simply evolving alongside them, opening up new horizons for art itself. Understanding AI as a creative tool involves recognizing artificial intelligence not just as a technology-driven process, but as a catalyst that enhances and sometimes redefines the nature of creativity. AI as a creative tool refers to the application of algorithms, machine learning, and data processing techniques to assist, enhance, or even autonomously produce art. This encompasses a broad spectrum of possibilities, from generating the images and compositions to assisting in the curation of collaborative projects alongside human artists. The significance of AI as a creative tool in the context of AI and art, are Machines the New Artisans, lies in its potential to transform the landscape of artistry. AI empowers artists by offering new methods of exploration and expression. It democratizes art creation, allowing those with minimal traditional skills to produce sophisticated works, thereby expanding the artist community and disrupting traditional norms of artistic merit. A poignant example is the use of AI in visual arts, such as Google's Deep Dream, which utilizes neural networks to produce intricate, dreamlike imagery from existing photographs. This tool allows artists to explore new aesthetics previously unattainable. Another example is OpenAI's GPT-3, which can generate poetry or storytelling pieces with remarkable coherence and depth, assisting writers by providing creative prompts or fully fledged narratives that serve as a foundation or partnership in creative endeavors. Supporters argue that AI enhances creativity by allowing humans to push beyond traditional boundaries, focusing artists more on concept rather than technique. It complements human creativity, emphasizing synergy between man and machine, representing not a replacement but a powerful partnership. However, the use of AI in art is not without controversy. Critics argue that AI-generated works lack the emotional depth and intent imbued by human artists, questioning the originality and authenticity of AI-produced art. Concerns about intellectual property rights and the potential devaluation of human artistry also permeate discussions. AI as a creative tool influences other aspects of the main topic by reshaping how we define artisanship in the digital era. It challenges the traditional artist's role, integrating technology into the artistic process and blurring the lines between human and machine collaborators. This evolution prompts broader discussions on the future of creativity, urging society to reconsider the essence of art and the evolving definition of creativity itself. Meanwhile, it underscores the need for dialogue around ethics, authorship, and the preservation of human-centric artistic values amidst rapidly advancing technologies. Machines imitating human creativity is a concept where artificial intelligence systems are developed to generate artworks, music, literature, and other creative outputs traditionally crafted by humans. This notion hinges on the idea that AI can understand and replicate the creative processes historically deemed exclusive to human artists. Within the context of AI and art, are machines the new artisans? This concept is pivotal. It challenges conventional perceptions of creativity and authorship, questioning whether machines can truly be regarded as artisans when they mimic human creative methods. The significance of this point is underscored by its potential to redefine the art world. If machines can successfully replicate or even enhance human creativity, they could democratize art creation, making it more accessible. Moreover, AI's capabilities might inspire new artistic styles and breakthrough innovations across diverse disciplines. Real-world examples abound. One notable case is IBM's Watson, which collaborated with ex-Dire Straits member Mark Knopfler to compose music. Watson analyzed decades of music theory and compositions to assist in creating new musical pieces, showcasing how machines can aid in, if not directly contribute to, the creative process. Another example is The Next Rembrandt, a project where AI analyzed works by Rembrandt, eventually creating a new painting in his signature style. This endeavor highlights AI's ability to study and emulate the nuances of a specific artist's technique, thereby producing new creative output that bears remarkable similarity to the original works. Supporters argue that AI democratizes creativity, provides new tools for artists, and pushes the boundaries of traditional art forms. However, this viewpoint comes with its share of controversies and challenges. Critics question the authenticity and emotional depth of AI-created art, casting doubt on whether machines can truly replicate the intrinsic human experiences that often fuel creativity. There's also concern about the erosion of human artistic jobs and the ethical implications of machine-generated art being sold or valued equally to human-made art. In examining machines imitating creativity, we see a ripple effect influencing various aspects of AI and art, including debates about ownership, copyright laws, and the value of creativity itself. The exploration of AI as artisans invites broader discussions on the role of technology in society and whether it complements or competes with human endeavors. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to reshape our understanding of creativity, pushing us to explore what it means to be an artisan in a digital age.